these fans. So I got my popsicle sticks. This is glitter cardstock. This is cardstock and laminated. So I have my lamination paper, my lamination machine, and I also have some shirts because I have to make some graduation shirts to go with this order as well. And I have some more glitter cardstock so I can design the fan. And I have some regular cardstock to put on the back of it. So I'm about to just finish. I have like one more to make. They only ordered 6. So, and I didn't have any more of this orange, so I had to do the rest of it in blue, which is not bad because that's her colors. So.